Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to see the division of fractions. Okay, so what is division of fractions that we are going to see today's class. John has a paper strip of length 6 centimeters. He cut the strip into smaller strips of length 2 centimeters each. You know that we would get 6 divided by 3, 2 is equal to 3 strips, of course. Now John cut another strip of length 6 centimeters into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 centimeters each. How many strips will he get now? He'll get 6 divided by 3 by 2. A paper strip of length 15 by 2 centimeters can be cut into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 centimeters each to give 15 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So we are required to divide a whole number by a fraction or a fraction by another fraction. Let us see how to do that. So till now we saw how to do multiplication of fractions, and now we are going to see in division of fractions. What are the things we see in multiplication of fractions? A fraction, a whole number multiplied by a fraction, or a fraction multiplied by a fraction, and mixed fraction multiplied by a fraction, right? These are the things we saw. Now in the same way, how to do division, a fraction by fraction or a whole number by fraction, that we will see now. So to do this divisions, we have one topic called reciprocals. Okay, so we are going to use a topic called reciprocals, and that one is also called multiplicative inverse. So here, reciprocal of a fraction, the number 2 by 1 can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2 or by inverting 1 by 2. Similarly, 3 by 1 is obtained by inverting 1 by 3. Now in the same way, we are going to see some more examples, and before starting the exercise problems, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So students, you all know about my channel, so please share, like, subscribe my channel. Okay, Nana? Now without getting late, we'll start our class. So what is the main thing here we have to remember is the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocals of each other. That is nothing but 5 by 9 into 9 by 5, nothing but we'll get 1. Okay? Will the reciprocal of proper fraction again be a proper fraction? No. Reciprocal of proper fraction will be changed into improper fraction. Now the same way, improper fraction after reciprocal, it will be converted into proper, because reciprocal means we are converting, interchanging, exchanging numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. So that is the reason automatically numerator will be bigger and when compared to the denominator. So that is the reason proper fraction is changed into improper fraction, whereas improper fraction can be changed into proper fraction. Okay, now what is the conclusion he given here? Thus, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So students, all of you open your notebooks. Let us start solving the exercise problems, Nana. So what is the question here he given to us? 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. We'll try to solve this first. Three by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So reciprocal you are going to do for this part. 3 by 5, reciprocal of division is multiplication. 1 by 2 will be considered as 2 by 1. Now check, is there any cancellations are there for the numerators and denominators? There is no cancellation, so multiply numerators and denominators. 3 into 2 by 5 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5. Now in the same way, we'll move on to the next second question. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So just now I said we have to follow the reciprocal for this. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, and cancellations are not there for numerators and denominators. We can go for multiplication of numerators as well as multiplication of denominators. Now we will multiply numerators. 1 5s are 5, 2 3s are 6. And third question, 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So first thing here, we have to convert this mixed into improper first. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. This is as it is. Go for the reciprocal. 5 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So here cancellations are not there. Just multiply numerators and denominators. 5 5s are 25 by 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 25 by 6. Now next question, 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. So reciprocal of 9 by 2 will be 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. Now 2 table, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Now is there any cancellation for 9 and 31? So there is no other cancellation for 9 and 31, that is the reason. So 9 and 31 will not go in any other table, and 3 and 31 also will not go. So we can simply go for multiplication of numerators. 31 into 1 by 3 into 9. 31 1s are 31, 3 9s are 27. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. So here exercise 2.4. So here also the same procedure. We are going to do reciprocal of each and everything, and then we'll find out the answer for each and everything. So first question, 12 divided by 3 by 4. So as I already said that we have to take reciprocal after division symbol. 12 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3, and 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Now multiply our numerators. 4 4s are 16. Now second question, (14) divided by 5 by 6. So reciprocal of 5 by 6, 14 into 6 by 5, whereas 5 and 14 will not go in any other table, so simple multiplication. 14 into 6 by 5, 14 6 are 84 divided by 5. And third question is 8 divided by 7 by 3. Third question, 8 divided by 7 by 3. Now the reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So there are no cancellations for the numerators and denominators. So simply multiply the numerators as there is no denominator. So 8 3s are 24 by 7. And fourth question, 4 divided by 8 by 3. So reciprocal of this, 4 into reciprocal of 3 by 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Now fifth question, coming to the fifth question, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. As we all know that 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction, so we have to convert mixed fraction into improper. 3 divided by 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3. So and now from now onwards the procedure is as usual. Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. No cancellation, so simple multiply the numerators. 3 into 3 by 7, 3 3s are 9 by 7. And the last question is 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. Last question, 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. So as it is like your previous question, convert mixed fraction into improper. 3 7s are 21 plus 4 25 by 7. Now change this into reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25, whereas 5 and 25 will cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 1 into 7 by 5, 1 7s are 7 by 5. So this is how we are going to solve. We have to convert, if mixed fraction is given to us, we have to simply convert mixed fraction into improper, and then the division symbol will continue as it is. Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question. So here what is the question he given to us? Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper, improper and whole numbers. So we have to find out first reciprocals, and then we have to say whether the given, after completion of the reciprocal, we have to find out whether it is proper fraction. Means what? If the numerator is smaller than denominator or not. or improper fraction. If the numerator is greater than denominator, or numerator is equal to denominator, or a whole number. Okay, so we have to check all these things now. Okay, so reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Automatically 7 is big. If the numerator is big, what is this called? Improper fraction. And second question, 5 by 8, it is going to convert as 8 by 5. Again, this is improper fraction because numerator is big when compared to my denominator. So that is the reason we can say this is an improper fraction. Now 9 by 7. The reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. The numerator is small when compared to denominator. So this is called proper fraction. And 6 by 5, reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. And this is also proper fraction because numerator is small when compared to the denominator. So that is the reason this is called proper fraction. And next, 12 by 7. This can be reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. And this is also proper fraction because 7 is small when compared to 12. Automatically numerator small means we have proper fraction. And next one is 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1, or we can write even 8 also. Whereas no denominator means it is not a fraction at all. So this is called whole number. And now the last bit of this question, 1 by 11. This can be written as 11 by 1 or 11. It is also a whole number to us because there is no denominator. For that is the reason we can call these numbers are called whole numbers. Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question. So here he is asking find. So simple, as simple like your previous questions, but here if you observe one thing, he given after division symbol you have all whole numbers. You are not at all having a fraction. In the previous question what we have fractions. That is the reason we done reciprocal means simple. We got numerator is exchanged to denominator and denominator is exchanged to numerator. But here what we have to think is the denominator should be 1. We have to consider that the denominator is 1. 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. And now the reciprocal will be easy to us. 2 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 2. So as there are no cancellations, multiply numerators and denominators. 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. Now in the same way we'll move on to the next question. 4 by 9 divided by 5. Four by 9 divided by 5. Okay, so here 5 is a whole number, so again you have to consider that denominator is 1. Now reciprocal of 5 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 5. And there are no cancellations for numerators and denominators. Simply multiply numerators and denominators. 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. Now next, 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13 divided by 7. So reciprocal of 7 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 7. And no cancellations we can simply multiply numerator with denominator. 6 ones are 6, 13 sevens are 91. And now we have mixed fraction 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now change this. First 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3. We'll consider the denominator to be 1. So reciprocal of 3 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. And no cancellation, simply multiply numerators with numerators and denominators. 13 ones are 13, by 3 threes are 9. And next is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So first convert mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 4. And consider the denominator to be 1 here. So 7 by 2 into reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. As there are no cancellations for numerators and denominators, simply do multiplication. 7 ones are 7, 2 fours are 8. And the next question here is 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. So first convert mix it into improper fraction. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31 by 7 divided by 7. We'll consider denominator 1 for this. So 31 by 7, reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. As there are no cancellations, simple multiply numerators with denominators. And 31 ones are 31, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, now we'll move on to the next problem, students. So what is the question here? We have find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So like this time we have fraction divided by division of fraction with a fraction and mixed fraction with mixed fraction for these questions. Okay, so we'll try to solve these questions now. Now the first question is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. And 2 cancel, let me erase this first. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. As there are no cancellations in numerators and denominators, simply multiply numerators and denominators. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. And now the second question, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So take the reciprocal of 2 by 3. 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So here cancellations are there. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. And now no cancellations. 2 into 1 by 3 into 1. 2 1s are 2 by 3 1s are 3. And now we are moving on to the third question, students. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So this part we are going to find out reciprocal, and 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. Now 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Whereas 3 and 8 will not go, so cancellations will not come for this. Simply go for multiplication. 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. Now in the same way, we'll move on to the next question, that is 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Next question, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So first we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Now convert this 3 by 5 reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 3. And there are no cancellations for numerators and denominators and no factors each other. So simply go for multiplication. 7 5s are 35 by 3 3s are 9. Okay students, I think you are understanding this. Now we'll move on to the next bit in this. The fifth question is 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Okay, the fifth question is 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. First we have to convert mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Now this is your normal question and you have to follow the steps as it is. 7 by 2 and reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. As there are no cancellations, so we can go for multiplications. And 7 3s are 21, 2 8s are 16. Okay students, is it clear to you all? Okay, very good. Now we'll move on to the next question. 2 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 2. Till now what we have, the dividend is your mixed fraction. Now we are going to write down divisor should be a mixed fraction. Okay, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So change this 1 by 2 into improper fraction. 1 2s are 2 plus 1. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. So reciprocal of this 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. As there are no cancellations, multiplying numerators with and denominators. 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question here. So here we have two mixed fractions. We got two mixed fractions itself. So 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. Seventh question. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. So both are mixed fractions. First we have to change them into improper. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divided by 1 3s are 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now we have to change this into reciprocal of this. So 16 by 5 into reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. As there are no cancellations, multiply numerators and denominators. 16 3s are 48, 5 5s are 25. Okay students, if cancellations are there, we have to go for cancellations. If there are no cancellations, no need to go for it. Just we have to check whether factors are there or not. If factors are there, then only cancellations will come. Otherwise, the cancellations will not come. Just simply we have to multiply the numerators and at the same time we have to multiply the denominators. That's it. Okay. And now we'll move on to the 8th bit, which is the last bit of exercise 2.4. That is 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. 8th question. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So as we all know that we have to convert mixed fractions into improper. Now multiply 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5 divided by 1 5s are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. So we are going to find reciprocal of this. 11 by 5 into reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. As we all know that 5 table will come 5 and 5. And 6 and 11 will not come. They are not multiples to each other. So we will not get 11 ones are 11 and 6 ones are 6. So this is the way you are going to solve your division of fractions. And you know we have completed solving even division of mixed fractions also. So whenever you got a mixed fraction, simple, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper and then reciprocal you should apply after division symbol, and then you have to check whether factors are there or not. If factors are there, we'll go for cancellations. After completion of that, we have to multiply the numbers which are in the numerators and the numbers which are in the denominators. This is what we done. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. Let's meet you tomorrow. Okay, so we completed solving division of fractions. So main thing in division of fractions is you have to apply a reciprocal compulsory. So don't forget the reciprocal of a fraction. If you are not going to apply reciprocal of a fraction, and we can't do a division also. Okay, is it clear to you all students? So now we successfully completed exercise 2.4. So students, nowadays corona is coming, second wave is coming throughout the globe again. So please wash your hands thoroughly, cover your face with the mask and don't apply any other things. Avoid crowded places. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth when you are outside. Cook it thoroughly and clean your objects properly and then you can use. Please wear the mask and save lives. So thank you Corona warriors who are helping. Thank you warriors who are helping for the Corona warriors patients. Sorry, coronavirus patients. I'm sorry for that. So now we completed this and then we'll go for decimal numbers, the new topic which we are going to solve it in the next class. So this is about your division of fractions.